Every potato chip begins its journey in fertile farmland. Advanced harvesting equipment efficiently gathers thousands of potatoes every hour. Freshly harvested potatoes are collected for transport.
Only the best potatoes continue to the factory.
The journey now continues toward the factory, where potatoes become crispy chips. Fresh potatoes begin their carefully managed journey to processing. Every delivery is tracked before entering production. Accurate measurements ensure complete inventory control. The factory receives thousands of kilograms of potatoes every day. The transformation begins as potatoes enter the production line. The first step inside the factory is a thorough cleaning process. Foreign materials are removed before processing continues. Multiple cleaning stages ensure food-grade quality. Advanced vision systems inspect every potato individually. Only premium potatoes advance to the next stage of production. Steam peeling removes potato skins quickly and efficiently. The remaining peel is gently removed to reveal clean potatoes. Quality checks ensure only the best potatoes continue forward. Precision slicing creates the foundation of every potato chip. Consistent thickness ensures even cooking and the perfect crunch. Advanced filtration maintains hygiene and production efficiency.
Moisture reduction prepares the slices for consistent frying.
Now perfectly prepared, the potato slices are ready for the most important transformation of all. This is where potato slices begin their transformation into crispy chips.
Hot oil rapidly removes moisture while developing flavor and texture.
Carefully controlled frying ensures consistent quality in every batch.
Excess oil is removed to achieve the perfect balance of flavor and crunch.
The signature color and crisp texture are created in this critical stage. Before flavoring begins, the chips must be cooled to the perfect temperature. Every flavor begins with carefully controlled ingredient blending. The chips move into a system designed for even flavor distribution. Precise seasoning transforms simple chips into recognizable flavors. Before packaging, every chip must meet strict flavor and appearance standards. Advanced vision systems inspect thousands of chips every minute.
Precise portioning ensures every bag meets exact specifications.
Automated systems package thousands of bags with remarkable speed and accuracy.
Nitrogen packaging helps keep every chip fresh, crisp, and ready for customers.
Take this one to Bay 4, quickly now. We need that cleared.
Thank you for watching.